Hey y'all, welcome back to the kitchen for another episode of What's Cooking with the Bear. It's summertime. We're all busy, especially me. You know, I got tons of things going on, and I don't want to spend a whole lot of time in the kitchen cooking, prepping meal, but I still want to eat good. So I come up with this chicken parm recipe. Super easy. You don't have to stand by the stove or anything and, watch the oven or any of that kind of stuff. And it's actually a really good food. So sit back, relax, and I'll show you how I cook my chicken parm polar bear head style. Alright y'all, this chicken parm is like super easy. I start out, I get the great value southern style breaded chicken breast fillets, and these are real chicken breast fillets. They're not the chopped up, repackaged things. These are actual chicken breast that's breaded. Some mozzarella cheese and marinara sauce is your choice. I'm not making pasta tonight because, I don't feel like it, and this is good enough on its own just like this. So I'm going to throw these in the air fryer for about 12 to 14 minutes, and then once those are done, we'll do the rest of the recipe. So, alright, let's get that cooking. Alright y'all, our chicken's done. I put some cheese on it and put it back in the air fryer for like a minute or two, just enough to melt it. So, got that. And we got our marinara sauce here, and I just popped it in the microwave for 30 seconds or so, and so there's a little bit of that marinara sauce over there. Like I said, you can make pasta if you want, but this is good enough just to eat on its own. So yeah, that's beautiful. So alright, let's do our taste test. Y'all, I gotta cut into this for you, show you what what it looks like up close. I can get a good chunk off of here. Now that is, that is the chicken breast. It is a solid chicken breast. It's not that cut up stuff, ground up and reformed. So, all right, now let's do our taste test. All right, y'all, time to do the taste test. So, got a bite of it here with the marinara sauce, and it's gonna be hot because it's steamy, but it's gonna be delicious. So, y'all, that is restaurant quality chicken parm. So, that is so good. That chicken breast is kind of crispy still, because it's not swimming in that marinara sauce, and the cheese and the, everything, it all comes together and makes it delicious. So there you have it. Quick, easy chicken parm on a weeknight during the summer. You can make it any time of the year, but I like these nice, quick, easy meals that I don't have to stand at the stove and babysit and everything. Get it cooked, get it ate, get back to work. So. Alright, that's going to do it for this one, y'all. So I know it's a short one, but it is, it's a good video. So appreciate y'all, love y'all, and as always, bear appetit.